Chama akwa baby o de ban kwanta na so na enei ansam bebre na 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 mama Ghana mu enim from mu aye na tie for air pinchire mu na wakoye mranim ni ankwanta na so da ne da se bibichiri adwen ayeba wo nchen ma o cheche mu no de enei no yesi ye benya adaje ankasa na Chairman Wontumi ene akonta man ne sama boy nsensem no yatumi nya adaje na yawura mu na yadomu suko eye pa enti ne edi kan no mepese wo de ebewura mu se sie no court Accra High Court says Chairman Wontumi onko them 20 years or you're guilty of charges are the state prosecutor at the emano no na asemu ya nkasa no lawyer mpacho mremu no start free hen na yaba bedru baby ayadri
me me share with you for so na you put two matters in a proper perspective.
Okay.
Examine answer the you decline who say NDC as a political party. On Jelly will be
yeah, sure.
Good. Anna, young funny say, Chairman Wontumi. Young funny say, you party atadi in you the party atadi.
Sure.
You pa, if I say, Ghana ni, and you say, why you be Tiamra, and you not put a court.
Okay.
And a court, as you say, and a court stay with you for, and a court, a man, guilty. But that is it. So that is simple as that is
me patcho sabe.
And
when the political color Bian County and more people MPP, NDC, Debbie.
Because NDC only court.
Debbie.
NDC only court. Ghana and our court. To correct Article 125 or say justice no it's a mandate from the people. It's a temporary Ghana for yen change in Ifriba.
Okay.
Na no ye the judicial ni say omo implement ya name. Be it.
Me patcho
and the constitution and the high court. Constitution and the court of appeal. Constitution na the Supreme Court. And a constitution na so a parliament who find so must go to the court. Matter say the high court may be saying a court of competence jurisdiction.
Okay.
And a assembly ni family na your mama konya obian kan asem. And a assembly mo kai no adansia prosecution de ba no. A court ni fi say ignasu intino or abo anything.
Chairman
Wontumi. In that respect, and about Ghana ha you see, minerals. It's in what I'm saying.
A former good year, no.
Good year, na.
Me patcha a former good year. Me patcha.
A former good year.
Me patcha.
You see, a former good year, no. According to your constitution, a former good year be in the raw state, no. A Ghana dia.
Okay.
A Ghana dia. So if you were someone pass a cry. And you be Ghana dia.
Okay.
Now, if you as a president in sa, on a day, on Somali. In Ghana, Hano, say, it's a good. Who was asleep over there?
Okay.
I work. It's a good was so pay. It's a Baba money. I buy the annual dia. But you say, honor,
and Tiasi Umpa.
And you say, all a friend saying resources in their natural state. It belongs to the state.
Okay.
Intimacy say so per se una tu now oko digidi ana say oko tubia ya mineral fact the maraba enu na ma ho kwan e ma wutie den ekoye mining adwuma
enti lawyer me patcho lawyer me tun ka me patcho enti na pen o ka no se wa no e abusua asase anase ye wankasa wasase watiska akwakotompo na echire no hu se fomagudie bi ehye ho a wonni sa akwanya no se wutumi tu sa fomagudie no ese kwaji tumi free aban ensem from the mineral resource
exactly
na omono atumi ama that license na watumi akwakotu okay
but before say obey mining no and I go to akotu fomagudie no
okay
also you permission by way of license. It's a license, it's a permission. What's the amount of permission? So which made a property.
Okay.
And that permission is the mawa. You cut the Bikura a bit my day akotu ho e dia Opemsuo zone A ma ko zone B a o license there but be akotu you know any say e ho no kan license ho
okay
ye ma license a ye sa ka be port ya bit my day atu sa agudie
okay
ye ma be dia bit matu asa ka ho na o sa ba so a yo be bi o ho dia ye se ni dem fa ho license to a ho do trim ho e dia ye ma license say dia ye dey say dia forest reserve
okay
I say hono o say ye ba ye forest so a o dumadi edi e ma o man no
yeah
I that global warming climate change activity e enquire do a ye say no ehun so ni bi no ye da dem ma hyehyehye a wo so e konkura say no say wo ti fifiri say so ni bi no titi ye nyina ne say wo ba Ghana ha e ba agudie tu a e mara no ahyehyɛ e kwan a ye fa so ki ye betimatu na bia betimatu ye wuntimi nye e de betimaye isa mara na no o say ye wakan busu na wo de so be ne say de wa wo ka ye mfa kwa dumbo e wo ko ye ma mu yu hwan so yu hwan na anyi ya ye say minimum 15 years betima ko dem maximum 25 years betima ko dem
and the smallest sentence no 15 years. Yes. That is the minimum.
The maximum near 25.
The maximum is 25. Okay.
Your ball called you now. Near shit. What do you the ball? And I say, my judgment. I say, the court. My judgment. That you know, only to say, or go lower than the Emran Sefamam.
Okay.
Court to drink or and I thought to see to go higher than the limit Emrana set.
Okay.
Oka your constitution na say adie bi ani ho a eye kan ye kan ye de mra aka say ye kan asa mra na so aka punishment o say de ma and ye fenti na oba ye mu na tabu ye kan because you ensure be bia and you prescribe specific what
punishment. Okay,
it you know to constitution na aka de ye kan the yes you know Ghana, as you say, Chairman Wontumi. Why are there extra Ghana mra? In the family put Ghana, Emram, Yuminasset.
Okay,
I got that.
Matasepa.
And I said, no call ye. Then the call, Yamana Konya, Manifa lawyer. Lawyer, no, it is now, a bit my yaman. On so one Casano, or call the Konya, I say. The lawyer cut and can office the lawyer and count what now 2 to be down to me account. Also, cover some count.
Okay.
But I say, if you are Manaconian, I did not start the due process of law. You need firm, you see, would you for into Yamano, a cab, so impossible. But the Satian says, or also what Konya say, if he say, the Konya judge in the first would be as now say, you know, I don't see any buy him. That's any buy him. Officer dan see with the any thank you jina so many eman that you need the man na o akonya so be for atu
okay
o akonya
okay
so far you say the stay of execution
okay
you so to say court na jeni me dey bet me see say asema me dey ko dey me dey enti mama mi ko dem answer
okay
mama mi ma fi mi and so sa akonya no wo ade ase sa akonya no wo enti say no in person I say we party sembe
Debbie we dey any
party. You can do politics with it. But ye camera.
Enti
ye camera.
Lawyer, mama misa asem we. And say na court no a convicting no say on condemn for 20 years no. Enti or say on appeal a naturally say the sentence no e sha say free and
and the court is better. You say no the chain say your sentence never. On say all basta on say asensi on a police custody achewa on meaning say who police if it's a police custody who police for him
okay
on who police for him wa or to say do be court no police ni akonya say o ma obi what do you say
okay
meaning say the asem no enya court police nsem na wo the court o do ya court nsem what do you say
okay
the court so ebe ma obi court ma obi la oka say do no dey ama wo on ehun sise ni every day bia no report kwa ha
okay
awon ko kire ha what they say and she said what I catch your journey what she said we be no ya you vote abewie that day be assembly with local police custody na omoni prison service for no I arrangement e do be ko prison kra e dey also kokko serve hotel mo no do ma say ne ya ye kasa idea be wo police custody
okay
until say on be transition you dey na ma prisons no ko serve ni prison term but officer also officer obe appeal so dia obetima appeal wo appeal or akonya obe kase ye mane mra bontin wa sa wo na appeal ni na no court ne be decide what I say
okay
you can na o he yen I attach na waka you need to make dinner so about be was pending appeal
okay
and so sa konya no obo intino so o ka say o your politics and you have a politics say so come radio go through enye NDC na genu bia NDC genu bia
okay
NDC was not in court Ghana of Aban and if I say Ghana and I genu into
okay Matthias
because was security no now my name it's a case here what case title now I say the Republic versus Yankase NDC government versus it's the Republic versus yeah
case okay
that's what I say
Matthias
your mind Ghana then you need to me there because it's a crime so commit crime and yet individual now committee no ono na woni nenya
okay
only on mine no nenya it's a crime and intina the ema police gina which is a who committee crime in tia won who call it like I say no come maybe on mine bit matter so dey assembly when you tia won we no na friend say we the complainant and I say the victim
and the complainant so on mine so asem no more the complainant dey ono no gina na baby the state prosecutor no mum no
and they take you back
okay
and the prosecution
okay
and the one beautiful thing about the legal system they say that so many apostle more fees in touch here be more on yama Supreme Court and High Court the power to do supervision of a quiet first with the asset any offense says supervisory jurisdiction
okay
it is High Court the a court now a High Court as not a for lower court it's a circuit court district court a family tribunal within an other educating body say there Ghana a general legal council judicial committee a traditional council judicial committee regional regional house of chiefs also judicial committee and your mono High Court is supervision and about High Court itself the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court is supervision
okay
it's a some personal fees no that the way they are saying the whole grassing wrong if you say chatia bit maba utimi ko bo Supreme Court amani dey ehwe sim set stand in tesa e be sa charge semene question no o se ni na no akonya wi na wo ho what I say intino bibia utimi ba bontin ka say
okay
chanche dey
aba baby okay me das na lawyer me patcho ma yenhwa de wo ha say nti say ye ka about the appeal asem yi no nti say nyankopon eya adom na say e be oye appeal na ebetumi aban say bia sa sentence no ebetumi akwahye no kra ana say sa 20 years no appeal no nsu kra betumi amma e bia sentence no bia beka ho ana say so ate ana say how is it
good that's a very good question the chairman say the whole court appeal on you enyoma miensa a betumi gina so so do court
okay
betumi aka say emrana charge no ojina so bi asem no wan nyina me akọ emran wan follow emran yi so what on the basis of say there is an error in the how the law was applied emran wo the emran na koka ho atem what they say
okay
you hu appeal anyway what say no wo hwe ensem na nkasa na esisi ye na ho ensem na nkasa esisi ye nti a wo de me ba court no ne me hwe adanse a ye de ba ye na
okay
and support conviction we dey sa dance we pay by it any say as me say dey too so you can say what you need say you know there is a anything judgment no is against the weight of evidence that was adduced in the course of trial
okay
on say mama you know
yeah sure
na the also me answer what you need say oh law no dey no one apply and some me say so you know but sentence will be annos. Sentence no annos. The sentence no. Also the yatemiso. What I say. And to go appeal against the sentence. What I said, law was misapplied. And I say evidence no does not support conviction. To no kind intermediate saying now. To go to Marco say, oh, conviction no I'm the man. You did say also come money 15 years minimum no say ka the man.
Okay.
What I say. And the uncle say we give him and uncle say we give him. What should before?
Okay.
Now so sentence near the man. You did say the 20 be annos do. I think your money minimum 15. What I say.
Okay.
And I say and that is what you say ampa me no ya adwen o say ma minimum and I say that me no ya adwen ade go because we ma maximum because your philosophy under penny sentence what I say.
Okay.
E bi ni say e dey mana serve as deterrent e dey ni pafufu bi antimi ko yedi what I say. It's a deterrent usually na dey ma ona no say if I say a serve as lesson to the rest of the public and dey ma o ya na no say no bi wo so a you perceive a reforming, you have an opportunity to reform, you judge the way.
Okay.
What I say? If you know the into the money, if you have a cry, so the bear, and the idea of no ambition. And if you also a idea, a menace, idea has society. The idea has society.
Okay.
I am per se, society wants to, society, and that's a very popular. Society, because I do your best so. You now inform sentence between the amount.
Okay.
So that is about sentencing, and it's what PDA. What I say, bit number form and then my form. And I say, if you say Marana international, a judge name na papa so and a DJ, and I say, evidence of the buyer. Now, in a soon case, yes, I can be not saying a jelly.
Thank you very much. Now, my young also with we know so share charges now or more at the. My not to say and yet only the Chairman Wontumi and but not your and crophobia or more ekeka ho. And this sentence here abe no one and one din can be say share names in the your Henry Okun and Michael Jedu I see
it's over crampo now. But I think
the tone kappa.
So even a company no crack
Sure.
The company a contaminate.
It was part of it, yeah, sure.
We had judgment na. Ubia de e kan ubia de. What that say? Ubia company we say there. Almost find a company.
Okay.
Almost find a company. And there's no ubia nya there. They also acquitted no, it was acquitted. They also didn't come in that manner. The internet say me ko be ni say, you offense na e course. Whether or not to say to say oye de oye na we say Ghana ha no December ni akwose no party atade and anya sha some no party atade say mean this party asem na nkasa
okay
some na nkasa no bonte alusu ne traction
because
the thing is that the due process of the law was what was the person was subjected to what are you and share initially the condition say no dey no nya dey itimi fam ewa assembly mu do baby the lawyer say mo ti meja mi nya akonya ne to aso what are you
yeah
intino galamsey assem and e baaye and e galamsey assem and a court maybe so it seems say no there be if you say criticize ya oh there be a evidence if the prosecution dey call you na evidence ni there you say you no put me that argument no and I say you person camera so no if you show mining law na the judge ni here no one follow mra no and so bit my discuss here no they say what I saw you keep in to the book na for no and I say I didn't need this for you be omo dey inform my court the thing is that you dey about no that's you dey make me that na me ko you ko ba na to me dey wonche no the question is for no me boy na ma mo
okay
me no me boy and I'm more. About political aspect there, Ghanaians are there to judge it. You go to buy a political, you go to buy any leader, you go to buy any political, and they're political.
Sure.
If you know there, say for instance, to say me personally, pet the NDC for omoye especially omo umudina court anon omo call for umudina court anon ba umuja umuna mom call him.
Okay.
Me I don't know, I disagree with them. Say I don't know my music say umuni any say umbe fight corruption especially about omo call for I don't know to say na me dey free.
Okay.
Umuni sa ope no any ni off. Me dey me say na me ma dwen.
Okay.
If you say of any new omo side especially about omo call for because clearly ade na wunya wunya kro e ma ni nyina embrana na embrana de enka say odi bi ma na odi fo na de oba because we too minti odi too nya dey amomu na afiri ho so mo de na say when say do dey position ni de gina embrana no dey a wo be ka say dabi branching or prosecute any prosecution na wo ye what dey
but
because about owu ni pa dey however you make here say ka say oh yeah politics.
Okay.
But here camera there. The question is, omo NDC for ja omo. Emre mu. You know it's camera dey say camera. Let us say camera dia. It's not against any law. Emra no ma be offense no possible. Emra no sa allow be offense withdrawal of charges. What do you say?
Okay.
And yen Ghana for yen dey say emre. Any politician dey say emre. Parliament and make it amra. What do you say? If you know dey omo jina so ye. If you don't think I say the Omoyen was unlawful. They can say me my dream.
Okay.
And my view about it.
Okay.
Which I'm entitled to.
Sure.
But legally, they did nothing wrong. Legally, they did nothing wrong in that respect.
Okay. So lawyer ma yen hwa de wa say ma yen ti we no fio. We na ukofo ba ya wo kire mu say how NDC ba power omo ejeja ebinumu ana omo ye omo party nkrofo no. When you on enya but obi nso be bisa say and during the MPP time no a big case it mean about 6 years and 7 years inti senka ya wo issue bi wo hono ma senka eno ntumi ema omo ejeli ni pakro no ana se bi omo convict ni pakro no because ye hwe Chairman Wontumi case ya last year and omo no started and this year omo atumi the omo judgment at the apa. And you comparing this Chairman Wontumi case to those cases now, at my court, Chairman NDC bar power more. I file this knowledge possible quantity because Chairman Wontumi they are fast striking and now say what are the explanations I will be to me the many for.
A honor the chairman say charge this is unique.
Okay.
Charge the other charge on. A card also the back court different. And a lawyer or represent you via or point of faso defending the client. What do I say?
Okay.
Opa young kofa obi to say opuni die enye empato him. Obesha opuni die. Sem na nkasa no. Asem na nkasa no. Asem na nkasa no.
Okay.
Omo ba so no. Na election abeya no. Because asem nyan ko ehun chenchen. What I say, I don't see what you deba, and I see this deba. A banner said judge no rule upon it. Was okay, and Tiasia, it is a no court of people, what do you say, go to Supreme Court? And call you call who basa. That's what I say. Okay. I don't know. Dina asem botina and Cassandra Mon call home pokra, but a home. Okay. And it's over Chairman Wontumi media. Oh, over share in some a Supreme Court anaba. So said, yeah. It's only the court naba. The only difference is that you only quite a bantam. And as we share Mr. Kennedy, judge in the wood or retire. If you might be powerful and a better assembly. And by the adoption of proceedings. But I say, I just had some best starting to move. They say, you say, can't in Afro. And I say, we are starting it from afresh. What I say, it is better to say the fact that the pain was grinding slowly in the court does not justify cancelling it. I say, if indeed, say the same argument, I say, okay, other than the buyer, I say, can you answer prosecutor in the war? One man may expedite him, and then one man may expedite him. Rather, nobody judge uncle. Okay. I'm brother may expedite him, then can also end him to Manamiwa. Then say, like I say, you cannot compare. What I say, because one thing is that some of course, we are not supposed to prejudice the outcome. If that's so, actually, when you could do it doesn't work like that. Because I change to before that. I say, also a constitution article 14 in 19 ukaboma. That's it. The due process of the law must be followed. When you are calling it in a bejina embrana what is it only for? So we mean now prosecute and so on in fact dance emra. On the cancel the dance on call it and say because the on pony goose. Our dance na prosecution day edibem. Only the right to come and defend him. Also on the proven he had no duty to prove himself innocent. What I say? It is on the prosecution that they make and say what I say a chair. When they say anche, the honors was put on the prosecution.
Okay.
The pantacha, then I buy and when they know the enter the moment was.
Yeah, sure.
And I say, Momo expedite matter.
Okay.
So to me, and in any way, it's my personal opinion.
Okay. Thank you very much on that. Yeah, sure.
And like I added, say, and does not also tell us say. NDC did something, and then the prosecution did something unlawful. Like I said earlier, Emrano allows for withdrawal. Emrano allows for what? Money prosecute. Ninaye, prosecutorial powers are Yediama, any general.
Okay.
Any about withdrawal, no crowd, Yediama, other prosecutors or money at any general. Or to be a withdrawal. And I said, no, you need to make a power honor.
That me that's it. Now my young free Chairman Wontumi sense we manya we dear na say yen enti we no so emfiri. The issue is about the